British English Learning Podcast.
You know that feeling when you're learning English? It just feels hard sometimes, like wading through mud.
Yeah, or like you're putting in all this effort studying, but then poof, it's gone.
Exactly. And the idea of actually having to speak, that can feel terrifying for a lot of people.
Absolutely. It's a really common stumbling block, that feeling of being stuck or overwhelmed.
Well, if that sounds like you, we've been digging into something pretty interesting today. It comes from a lesson that was actually designed for total beginners, A1 level English.
Right, so the source itself speaks very slowly, very clearly.
Yeah.
Which is helpful on its own, of course.
Yeah, but the main takeaway wasn't just vocabulary. It was like a strategy for tackling that stuck feeling. It proposes this one really simple daily habit.
Not a magic billet, obviously.
No magic trick, but something that, if you do it consistently, could actually make a difference.
And it taps into this idea that sometimes to get unstuck, you don't need a bigger push, but maybe just a smaller, steadier one, something manageable.
Okay, so let's get to it. What is this habit?
Well, the core idea is simply listening to easy English for 5 minutes every single day.
5 minutes, that's it. It almost sounds too easy, doesn't it?
It does sound minimal, but think about what's happening in that time. It's like input for your brain. It's starting to recognize sounds, the flow, the rhythm.
Oh.
How words kind of blur together sometimes in English. Even if you aren't consciously thinking, okay, I understand that word.
Yeah.
Your brain is still processing.
The source called it food for the English brain, which I quite liked.
That's a great way to put it.
And it stresses that you don't need to understand every single word at this point. It's more about exposure, just letting the sounds sink in.
Exactly. It's like tuning your ear. At first, it might just sound like noise, but gradually you start picking out patterns, the melody of the language, if you like. Your auditory system adapts.
Yeah, that makes sense. And they used a great analogy, brushing your teeth. Takes, 2 minutes? But you do it every day, and the long-term benefit is huge. It's applying that same logic here. Small, consistent action.
And the 5-minute thing, it just makes it so much less daunting, doesn't it?
Totally. Finding 5 minutes is doable for almost anyone, I think. Way easier than trying to find a whole hour.
Right. And the source gave some practical tips on how to actually do it.
Like what?
Well, watching simple English videos. The ones made for beginners. Maybe listen while you're having breakfast.
Or on the bus, yeah. Or maybe just before you go to sleep.
Precisely. Just fitting it into those little gaps in the day.
Okay, so find 5 minutes. What else? Are there tips to make it stick? Because habits are hard.
Yeah, definitely. It gave 2 simple ones. First, keep it really easy.
Okay.
Like, genuinely easy. A1 level stuff. Don't try and listen to the news or complex podcasts straight away. That can be discouraging.
Right. Stick to things you can mostly follow.
Yes. And even repeating the same short video or audio clip is good. Repetition helps it sink in. You notice more each time.
Okay. So don't feel bad about listening to the same thing over and over?
Not at all. It's actually beneficial. And the second tip is linking it.
Linking it.
Linking the listening habit to something you already do every day without fail.
Oh, like habit stacking.
Exactly. So, do you make coffee every morning? Listen while the coffee brews. Always take the same train. Listen on the train.
So you piggyback the new habit onto an existing one. Makes sense. The old habit becomes the trigger for the new one.
It takes away some of the mental effort of remembering to do it. It just becomes part of the routine.
I like the suggestion to actually write it down too. Like, listen to English for 5 minutes today, and then tick it off.
Yeah, that little check mark can be surprisingly motivating. It's a small win, a sense of accomplishment, builds momentum.
Okay, so that's the core listening habit. But then there was an optional extra bit, wasn't there, for the brave ones?
Yes, an optional second habit.
Yeah.
Say just one English sentence out loud each day.
Just one?
Just one simple sentence.
That sounds, well, maybe a bit weird talking to yourself, but I can see the point.
It feels weird at first, maybe.
Yeah.
But it's about getting your mouth involved.
Yeah.
Your tongue, your lips.
Yeah.
They need practice making these new English sounds. Hearing is one thing, producing the sounds is another.
Right, it's physical, muscle memory for your mouth.
Exactly. And the examples given were so simple, like, today is sunny.
Or, I feel good. Or even just, I drink water. Stuff about your immediate world.
Nothing complicated.
Yeah.
The goal isn't perfect pronunciation right now. It's just getting comfortable making the sounds, feeling the words in your mouth.
And again, the time commitment is tiny. 5 minutes listening, maybe 1 minute speaking.
Pretty much 6 minutes total, maybe.
Yeah.
Reframes it completely. It's not this huge, scary task anymore.
So if we sort of boil it all down, the big idea from this source is that the secret to getting unstuck isn't some massive effort, but this really small daily practice. Listening mainly, maybe adding that one sentence.
Yeah, it's all about consistency over intensity. Tiny steps, done every day, add up. It's not about being perfect from day one.
And it's important to remember what the source said about feeling slow or feeling like you're bad at English.
That's normal. Totally normal. The fact that you're trying, that you're engaging with it, that's what matters. That takes courage.
Absolutely. Progress isn't always linear, is it? Some days feel better than others.
For sure. But these tiny habits, they give you something concrete to do when you feel overwhelmed or shy. They create a pathway forward, even if it's just a very small step each day.
Yeah, it builds that momentum we talked about.
Exactly.
So for you listening, the real takeaway here is just how powerful these small, consistent actions can be. This dive into this A1 lesson really highlights that. 5 minutes of listening, maybe one sentence spoken aloud, it seems small, but it could be the thing that helps you break through that plateau.
It really challenges the idea that you need hours and hours of intense study to make progress. Small, regular inputs can be incredibly effective over time.
So maybe give it a try. Try the 5-minute listening habit today. See how it feels. It's such a small investment.
And perhaps, take that next small step. Think about one simple English sentence you could say out loud, just to yourself.
Yeah. What would that sentence be for you today? That's something to think about, isn't it? Your own starting point.